Here are some things I wish I knew before losing weight and optimizing my health. Meat and organs contain all the vitamins and minerals I will ever need. I don't need anything else to survive. Although I like to have some other things, but I don't need it. I don't need fibre. Fibre is a fallacy. I have survived for 4 months without fibre, and many other people have survived for years without fibre. We don't need it. Some vegetables cause me inflammation. I thought vegetables were everything you needed to be healthy. They contain oxalates and other chemicals that cause our bodies to react. And so getting rid of vegetables has been the best thing for me. And I still do have the occasional vegetable. Also, fat is good for you. Fat is good for me. Fat is vital. It makes up all of our cell membranes and our hormones and is used for a big brain. So getting enough fat, and animal fats is the best source, is vital to improve your health and to fix your hormones. And the last thing, getting your hormones right is essential for losing weight and optimizing your health. Getting rid of all the inflammation in your body, eating enough good fatty animal foods, and getting enough sleep was the most vital part of optimizing my health. And I'm still working on it, but I know when my hormones tank and I know how to fix it. So the number one thing is to get your hormones right, and all the other things support good hormone health.